So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can get a super high score in Block Blast. First of all, let me break down how scoring works in Block Blast. Understanding the game mechanics is crucial to optimizing your score, so make sure you know how points are awarded for different moves. Block Blast rewards strategic thinking. Instead of just reacting to the current layout, try to plan your moves a few steps ahead. Think about how each move will set you up for the next, and you will create more opportunities to score big. And now, another important thing is that you have to focus on clearing multiple lines at once. This is a two-way sword. This will boost your score and also free up some space for future blocks, which becomes vital as the game progresses. Special blocks are very important. They are the game changers. Now you have to use them strategically to maximize their potential. These blocks can clear larger areas and trigger chain reactions, and now leading to massive points in the process. Patience is key in Block Blast. Don't rush your moves. Take your time, analyze the board, and wait for the perfect moment to clear multiple lines or set up a massive combo. A common mistake many players make is filling up the board too quickly. Always leave some space to maneuver your blocks and create opportunities for larger clears so that you can score super high in Block Blast.